Let's look at 4 tips to make your retirement savings last until you're 100. Number 4, have a diversified portfolio. When it comes to retirement planning, the old adage, "don't put all your eggs in one basket," is sage advice. A diversified portfolio helps to mitigate risk by spreading your savings across a variety of asset classes. This way, if one investment underperforms, you have others that can help to offset the loss. For example, if the stock market takes a nosedive, bonds may hold their value or even appreciate. Alternatively, if inflation rises, investments in real estate or commodities may outperform other asset classes. By diversifying your portfolio, you can protect yourself from short-term market fluctuations and ensure that your savings will last a long time. Number 3, cut back on discretionary spending. Discretionary spending is one of the biggest dangers to your retirement savings. If you want to make your money last until you're 100, you need to be careful about how much you spend on non-essentials. That doesn't mean you can't enjoy your retirement years, but you need to find a balance between spending and saving. Travel and hobbies are great, but if you're not careful, they can quickly eat into your savings. So if you want to enjoy a long and prosperous retirement, start by cutting back on discretionary spending. It's the best way to ensure that your money will last as long as you do. Number 2, make some extra cash from your hobbies. Even a small stream of income can make a big difference. Having a side hustle can help you cover unexpected expenses. Unexpected medical bills, home repairs, or car troubles can quickly eat into your savings. Having a side hustle can help you cover those unexpected costs without dipping into your retirement fund. Second, a side hustle can provide some extra spending money for those little luxuries that make life more enjoyable. Whether it's a nice dinner out, tickets to a show, or a new golf club, having a side hustle can give you the extra cash you need to enjoy your retirement. Finally, a side hustle can give you something to do in retirement. If you're looking for ways to stay active and engaged after you retire, starting a side hustle can be the perfect solution. So if you want to make your retirement savings last until you're 100, don't forget to start a side hustle. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, have a budget. First of all, it's essential to know how much money you actually have to work with. It may come as a shock to find out how much your monthly expenses actually add up to. Having a budget will help you to make informed choices about where to spend your money and how to best save for the future. Secondly, a budget will force you to think about your long-term plans and goals. What do you want to do in retirement? Do you want to travel the world? Or maybe you want to buy a second home? Having a clear idea of your goals will help you make sure that your spending aligns with your priorities. Lastly, a budget will help you to weather any unexpected financial challenges that come your way, whether it's an unplanned medical expense or a drop in the stock market. Having a budget will give you a roadmap for how to navigate these challenges without depleting your retirement savings. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.